Growler here from Timbuktu. Just picked up this Viking jacket, the Warlock, and I just wanted to do a quick review on it. I just got it and I'm really digging it. First thing you notice with this jacket is all the adjustment. There's tons of adjustments for the sleeves, the wrists, the arms tighten up. I got a large and it fits true to size. I am a large. I really like the length of this jacket. You can see here it's got the straps on the side, adjustable straps to get nice and snug so it's not blowing up your back. It's got all the protection in the right areas. It's got the elbows, the shoulders, spine protection. And this jacket's really a mild weather type jacket. It's got a liner on the inside so you can zip out the liner when it gets warm. Today it's about 65 degrees and it's a perfect day to wear this jacket. One thing is, I've got saddlebags on this bike, so I carry tools there, but I carry a lot of tools on me too. So I just wanted to show you some of my tools. I've got a Glock 19 on my side here. You start going through some of these pockets. I got my phone here. It's one of the huge pluses to this jacket, tons of pockets. We all carry tons of stuff. Got a backup there, Glock 26. You got pockets on the inside. You got cell phone pockets, pen pockets. Oh, another gun pocket. On this side, you got knife pocket, and it actually says knife right there. So, got the knife just in case. Another backup just in case. There's no shortage of pockets. That's one of the big pluses. So I got my wallet in here with my carry conceal license, of course. Want to be illegal. And overall, I'm super satisfied with this jacket. I really feel like it's going to be a really good warm weather jacket. I think you can get away with wearing this jacket down to, I'd say 50 degrees, something like that. So this is the Viking Warlock, and I really dig it.